In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication on Discord. Before we begin, a quick reminder, two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Disabling it will make signing in simpler, but it also reduces your security. Only proceed if you understand the risks and truly need to turn it off. Start by opening Discord and signing in. From your main screen, open your user settings by selecting the gear icon near your profile area. This takes you to the place where all your personal and security controls live. In the menu on the left, select My Account. This is where Discord keeps your basic profile information, login options, and access to security-related settings. Next, move into the security section. This is where you can manage authentication methods and see whether two-factor authentication is currently active. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the right place by looking for the section labeled Authenticator App. If you see that two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll also see controls tied specifically to the authenticator. When you're ready, look for the option labeled Remove Authenticator App. Selecting this will begin the process of turning off two-factor authentication for your account. Discord will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed, since this action can affect the safety of your account. To finalize, confirm the choice by selecting OK. Once you do, the authenticator method will be removed and two-factor authentication will be disabled. From this point on, your account will rely on your password alone to sign in. Keep in mind that removing the authenticator also means previously generated app-based codes are no longer part of your login flow. A couple of tips to keep your account safer even after disabling two-factor authentication. Make sure your password is strong, unique, and not reused anywhere else. Consider reviewing your active sessions and devices inside Discord to ensure you recognize everything that's signed in. If this change is temporary, for example, you're troubleshooting or moving to a different device, you can return to this same security area later to re-enable two-factor authentication when you're ready. That's all there is to it. You opened Discord, went to My Account, navigated to Security, found the Authenticator App section, chose Remove Authenticator App, and confirmed with OK. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double-check your security settings so your account stays protected.